Alright, so in this video we're going to be talking about the law of averages. So let's go. If there was one secret that's truly helped me get more sales, this would be it. This secret has helped me get through the rough times, particularly when I'm in a slump and can't even generate any sales. You've been there, right? You're trying to close deals, trying to make a sale, but everyone is just saying no. No matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to get anyone to sign on the dotted line. You start to question your career in sales and become demotivated. When I was experiencing this myself in my sales career, I was trying to figure out a way to break past this obstacle. However, once I understood this secret, it's really helped me push through and close these big deals. I personally think that you need a philosophy, a strategy, or a go-to guide whenever you're navigating these treacherous waters of sales. Sales requires 100% of your attention, and as soon as you take your mind off it, you're behind the ball. One thing I've discovered is that while you're in your day-to-day job as a salesperson, you're going to get emotional. People's emotions really rub off on you. You're going to get angry, you're going to get frustrated, and you're going to start doubting yourself. You'll start thinking whether sales is the right career for you. You'll start looking at other jobs. So I went online and I researched. I read articles. I read books. I watched YouTube videos. Then I finally found it. The Holy Grail. The secret. It's the law of averages. So what is the law of averages? So as the famous Jim Rohn eloquently put it, if you do something often enough, a ratio will appear. For example, if you talk to 10 people and one person says yes, your ratio is 1 to 10. If you talk to 10 people and 2 people say yes, your ratio is 2 out of 10, and so forth. Now you might think, well, 1 out of 10 isn't that great. But the thing is, if you can get past that one sale, which is one sale out of 10 people, you've got the ability to achieve a life beyond your wildest dreams. One sale could really be a $1,000 product, or it could even be a $100,000 product, it doesn't matter. So by understanding the ratio, you can make smart decisions. So if you know that out of 10 people you talk to and one person says yes, then your sales ratio is 10%. And if you want 2 more sales, all you need to do is talk to 20 people and so forth. How cool is that? Now let's say that you work on your skills and become a better salesperson. You learn how to overcome objections, you learn how to close deals, how to set up appointments, build rapport and so forth. But as you practice more, you're going to get better. You're going to find that your sales ratio begins to increase. So out of the 10 people that you talk to, you now get 2 sales instead of 1. You have a new sales ratio of 20%. Now combining the law of averages, if you increase that amount of people that you talk to and increase your sales ratio, you're going to double your income. So let's look at the numbers. So now you're talking to 20 people and you have a sales ratio of 20%. You now make 4 sales instead of 2 sales. If you're selling a $1,000 product, you've just made $4,000. That's the beauty of the law of averages. You just work the numbers and ignore the emotional side of sales. I used to sit there and stress about the reasons why they didn't call me back or why I couldn't close the deal. This led me to plenty of doubt, and I nearly decided to quit sales and crawl into a fetal position and breastfeed. Now armed with this new knowledge of the law of averages, I can easily accept rejection, defeat and sadness and power through my cause. When somebody tells me to take them off my list, I continue spamming them. When somebody tells me to die, I keep calling them. You see, the law of averages is your friend. It's your guide. It's your beacon of hope in a sea of sadness and frustration in sales. But if you practice the law of averages, you'll be able to make more money and close more deals. So let it rain.